We're talking with John Gerard. Hi, John.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you have a very interesting product here called the Royal iRover.
Correct.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Sure can. Thanks for asking. Well, the Rover actually is a design that we've come up with that makes technology mobile. So we're a furniture manufacturer, so we're not a whiteboard manufacturer or projector, but what we've done is taken technology and made it mobile in a way that becomes multifunctional. So if you look at this unit particularly, this is a unit designed from a K to 4 perspective. It's low to the ground, it has a small square footage, and it allows the kids to go to their traditional teaching format, which is carpet learning or center driven. If you come to the side of the unit, you're going to start to see that there's some differences based on what else is in the market. It comes with storage tubs, it comes with a big book rack, it comes with a number of different services for a K to 4, K to 3 teacher.
And it comes with bottled water, apparently,
too. It comes with bottled water, absolutely. You got to always have bottled water with it. But it's designed to be very mobile and functional from a classroom perspective.
And so what it does here, what you have here is that you take an interactive whiteboard, whatever it is, like in this case it's a smart board, and you mount it to this device.
Easel. It's called a classroom easel.
And how's it mounted? How's that work?
4 screws, nice and easy.
Okay.
So 4 screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom.
Okay, can we see them?
Sure.
There.
Screw right here on this side, screw on this side over here, and 2 down at the bottom.
So this doesn't require a whole lot of
absolutely not. Not a lot of rocket science. Nice and simple.
Okay.
Again, part of our mandate at Copernicus is making teaching a little bit easier.
Okay.
So the idea is to take things that are already working and to transform them in. So there are over about 450,000 easels in classrooms already today.
Right.
So all we're doing is saying, instead of buying new technology, instead of buying new furniture and mount them with expensive interaction and electrical, why not put it on mobile? Moves through classrooms, it's easier for teachers to interact, and the technology changes. Your furniture remains the same, but your technology can change over time.
Okay, so if, for instance, we end up getting like flat panels or something like that, this will hold a flat panel as well.
Absolutely, it just pops off, you take the mount off the top, and now you're ready to go. No expensive purchasing new software.
Okay, that's a pretty smart idea, pretty sweet. Now, let's talk. You got this big thing in your hand. What are you going to do? You're not going to hit me with it, right?
No, I'm not going to hit you with it. So we have a couple things that are unique to our business that other people don't do.
Okay.
First and foremost, we design overlays. Overlays that go over top of your smart board, and what happens is it protects your board. So you can use this as a dry erase surface and still keep it on the board. It doesn't affect the smart board in any way, shape, form.
Okay.
So now it takes away the opportunity that there could be damage according to.
Now, does this come with the Rover, or is that separate?
It's an accessory that you buy.
Okay.
So anyone could buy it. You don't have to buy with a Rover. You can buy it if you have a Promethean, Smart, any kind of board.
Okay.
So you can do it. This unit is actually, again, most of our products are designed by teachers. One of the key things that we do differently in our organization. This is a pointer that's actually been designed from a teacher's perspective. You'll note that most kids in K to 3 do not have the complexity or do not have the understanding to be able to hold your finger to the board and keep pressure as they use the smart board.
Right.
The pointer takes the consultant's way of using a tennis ball with that of a pointer and combines the two so that the child actually can drag the item down and keep it to the touch of the board at all times.
Sweet.
So reducing teachers having to redo the students' work.
Okay. Now, I'm going to walk around it just because it's a really neat little... and is the Rover the same no matter what size of... what size of interactive whiteboard you have?
So we have different Rovers for different sizes. So again, what we try to do is build solutions depending on the school's needs.
Okay.
So this is a K to 3 elementary version. It's designed to be low to the ground, allow teachers to sit beside the board, carpet learning.
Okay, does it raise up any, or is it always going to be this low?
This is the highest it goes.
Okay.
Right? Then if you look at a board similar to this, we have 4 other type of SKUs that work for this solution. And they all are similar, but work for a different age category.
Okay, so all the way up to high school, I take it?
All the way up to high school.
So can we go look at your high school one?
Sure. So this is what we would call our intermediate high school version.
Okay.
It's a single height lift, so it's no electrical required. It's in real time. So if you're a 6-foot teacher with grade 2 students, you never have to worry about electrical cranking it. It's in real time.
Okay, great.
Also, the projector folds down and into the board, so all of our units move through a classroom door. Mobility is key.
Let's see how thin that is once you... So once you've pulled down
Once you pull down that piece,
that's pretty sweet.
and then again, each of our solutions is designed per individual school. So if you'd like a CPU lockbox at the bottom, you can have a lockbox. If you'd like a shelf, you can have a shelf. If you don't want anything for special ed, you can just have that for special ed. All of our units also come with a handle, so people don't use the board to drive the cart. Number one reason boards get destroyed.
Nah, get out of here. Nobody would do that.
Absolutely. So that's kind of the way that our design has a little bit of specific. We also, on the back of our high school, have our wonderful, a little bit of oil, needs a little bit of oil from it, but we also have a laptop shelf that comes out around and basically folds away, allowing the laptop or document camera to be used on it. But you don't have to have it. All this stuff is about building your own solution.
Okay, so it's kind of like it's like going into a restaurant and choosing the a la carte menu, what you want added
Absolutely.
onto.
Ranges anywhere from a $995 to the Cadillac version, which is about a $2,200 value.
Okay, and actually that's not way off of what a smart board or what their stand costs.
And not only stand, if you look at it from an installation, that's where we compare ourselves with installation activity. If you're looking at a regular installation, you have to take the old board off, put a new board up. You lose valuable wall space, and as technology changes, every 3 to 4 years, you're going to be taking that wall off there and putting in the new technology.
And buying a new stand every time.
Every time. So what ends up happening is you buy one stand that's multi-purpose, and you can use it for multiple technologies as we go.
That's cool. So John, if somebody was interested in finding out a little bit more about the iRover, where would they go?
So they go to www.rover.info, and we'll have videos and everything there available for them.
Okay, great. John Gerard, thanks for talking to us. Appreciate it.
Thanks very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.